Good morning class. I hope you have done your previous exercises. Today we will going to learn about the zero power. The zero power. So in zero power, if any rational number just like p by q having the power 0, then the value of this number will always be 1. If any rational number having the power 0, then its value always be 1. Note it down. So now we will talk about the negative power. So in negative power, if we have a rational number p by q and its power is negative, then this will become reciprocal of itself and the power will become 1. We can write this also q by p. Now we will going to talk about the scientific notation. So in scientific notation, we have to represent any number in the power of tens. So let us see how we are going to represent any number in the power of tens. So let us see an example 535. As we all know that here is always a point and the 0 0 is there. So it is assumed. यहाँ पे हम हमेशा assume करते हैं कि यहाँ पे point होता है उसके बाद 0 0 होता है जिसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है. But अगर यही point हमें यहाँ पे लाना होगा तो हम इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. That means 5.35 will be going to multiply with 100, and this 100 can be written as 10 into 10, and this 10 into 10 can be written as what? 10 the power 2, because 10 has been multiplied 2 times. Okay, so let us take an example. We have a number 0.00027. So we have to write it in a power of 10. So how are we going to write this number in a power of 10? We will write 2.7. We have placed this decimal to this place. So ये decimal कितने place move कर दिया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this decimal moved to 5 places. So when this decimal moves to 5 places, then we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. This can also be written as 2.7 upon 10 the power 5, which can also be written as 2.7 into, if this number goes up, अगर ये नंबर डिनोमिनेटर ऊपर जाता है तो इसकी पावर माइनस हो जाती है, 10 the power minus 5. This is the answer. Let's come to the exercise 2.2. Let us see the question number 1J. The question is 7 into 9 the power 0 will going to multiply, sorry, it is divide for the power 0. So what will going to happen? 7 the power 0, we have learned that if any rational number is a, here is power 0, then it will always be 1. So this will be 1 into 1 and divided by 1. So 1 into 1, 1 and divided by 1 will equal to 1. Answer. Let us see the question number 4 of H part. Let us see the question number 4 H part. So we will going to solve this question by 2 by 3 is going to multiply with 3 into 3 divided by 2 by 3 is going to multiply 2 into minus 3. So this can be written as 2 by 3 the power 9 divided by 2 by 3 the power 3 to the minus 6. As we know that these bases are same, so we know that a the power m divided by a the power m divided by a the power n will be equal to a the power m minus n. So we can write this 2 by 3 9 minus 6. So this can be written as 2 by 3 9 plus 6. So this can also be written as 2 by 3 the power 15. This is your answer. Now you are able to see the answer. See. Now we are going to solve the question number 6D. So let us see how we are going to solve. here is divide, then this will become p q whole square. As we know that this square is going to distribute on p and q, so p square, it will becomes p square q square. So this can be written as p square cancel out 1 by q square, and this can also be written as -2. Answer. Number 5th F. In this question we have to find the value of p. So let us see how we are going to find the value of p. So since here the power is same, we take the power as common, then this value become 2 by 3 into -5 by 7, and this will become -3. Now, as we know that 5 will multiply with 2, this will become -10, and 7 3s are 21, and the power will be -3. Since we know that अगर बेस का पावर इक्वल है, सो बेस भी हमारा इक्वल होगा, सो p is equal to -10 by 21. This is your answer. Let us see the question number 7th D. We have to show this number is equal to this number. चलो देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व किया जाए. 3 by 5 will be equal to 2 into -3. You know that this form, if a the power m the power n, then this is equal to a the power m into n. So this formula is being used here. So we will get 3 by 5 into -6. Here will be minus here. So 3 by 5 into -6, which is equal to 3 by 5 minus 6. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Now you have to complete your exercise 2.2 and revision exercise. So complete it and send it to me.